Hey, I'm Dr. Justin. I'm one of the chiropractors here at Stark, and today I'm going to teach you how to foam roll your glutes. And so all we're going to do is we're going to start on the ground here. Go ahead and have a nice seat on the foam roller. We're going to have a solid base by using our feet on the ground, and we're going to place one hand behind us. Say we're going to be working on our right glute here. We want to cross our right leg and place our right ankle on top of our left knee here. And from here, we're just going to kind of rock back and forth. All right, so you're going to use your feet and your hand as a way to roll that foam roller underneath your glute here. You want to make sure that you get all the way to almost the lower back and then roll it all the way back to the butt bone. And then if you want, you can even kind of lean to the right as well to get the outer part of that glute so that you hit the outside part of that hip, and you just keep rolling back and forth. Once you find a good spot, you want to make sure that you stay on that spot to try to loosen that up. Your glutes are going to be tremendous help for keeping all the tension out of your back and to give you a little bit more hip mobility. So we just want to keep rolling back and forth. Try to roll back and forth for about 30 seconds. And once you feel loose enough, go ahead, pop on up, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and check out our other mobility videos.